This $20 million Sydney mansion has every amenity you could want. From an in-home cinema to a 4-hole putting green, this home is truly its own private oasis. Welcome to a residence that epitomizes modern luxury living. Step into your own private sanctuary, surrounded by meticulously landscaped gardens, including a delightful 4-hole putting green. Spanning an impressive 5 levels, this residence boasts architectural brilliance at every turn. All levels are seamlessly connected by a Schindler 15-person lift, enhancing both its grandeur and accessibility. Inside, you'll find an interior designed for ultimate family comfort. Luxurious marble-adorned bathrooms and deluxe bedrooms create an atmosphere of opulence and relaxation throughout. For the aspiring home chefs among you, the gourmet kitchen is an absolute delight. It's adorned with backlit New York marble benchtops and equipped with top-of-the-line Wolf and Miele appliances. This residence accommodates up to 5 or 6 bedrooms, including 3 grand suites. One of these suites opens to a rooftop terrace, providing a personal retreat to admire the surroundings. Entertainment enthusiasts will be thrilled to discover a 10-seat gold-class cinema, where movie nights will become immersive experiences, while health-conscious individuals will appreciate the state-of-the-art gymnasium, perfect for maintaining an active lifestyle. Finally, a glamorous basement level accommodates a multi-car garage equipped with an electronic vehicle charger, adding practicality to the property's luxurious allure.